Wanna know how to transpose your audio in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application, and once you've done that, you can just simply import any file that you like. So now once you have imported any audio here, you should be with this audio waveform right here. Now in order to transpose an audio, it's super simple. Transposing simply means changing the pitch of your audio without changing its timeline or its length. So now you can just simply select a certain part of your track by dragging it, or just double click to select the entire track. Head towards effect right here, select pitch and tempo, and then select change pitch. So here you can just simply select this slider right here to change the pitch automatically, or you can do it manually by just going through these right here. And once you're done, just simply select apply, and that's it. After that is done, here you can see your pitch has been changed already and the waveform has changed a little bit. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.